Google is currently the biggest search engine in the world. We all use it in our daily life. Besides typing, you can also search in Google by the help of an image using Google Lens. It's a really helpful app. In this video, I'll be showing 5 tips and tricks for Google Lens which will make your life easier. Before that, if you want to see tech news and meme stuffs, then you should definitely join our Facebook group. Links in the description below. In order to access Google Lens, tap the camera icon on the search widget, or in Android 10 or above, search the lens icon in the camera app. In Android 9 or below, tap the lens icon in Google Assistant. You cannot translate anything without having Google Translate app. Just point your camera to the text and select Translate. As you can see, the text is translated in real time. If your image has a date and time, you can set an event in your calendar. For this, click the image and tap on the date and time section. Then at bottom, click Create Event. Write event name and save it. If anyone cannot read text, then this feature will be really helpful. For this, tap on the text mode and click the photo. After this, select the required section and tap on the listen button.
If you're enjoying this video, then like this video.
As you can see, I can listen to what is written on the screen. Many times, whenever we face any problem with our studies, we use Google. But there are some things like mathematical expressions which are hard to type. For this, homework feature is really helpful, which you can access it by tapping on the homework mode and clicking the photo. Then you will see Google Ledgers, which will hopefully help you to solve your problem. This one is my favorite. You can now scan QR code without any third-party app by just clicking the image and tapping the website button. As you can see, the website is loaded from the QR code. So these were some cool features of Google Lens. By the way, you can also do these things by using the image from your gallery. I hope these tips and tricks will be really helpful to you guys. Which one of these features is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below, and also if you know any Google Lens feature which I have missed in this video, then share it too. Here comes the end of this video. Thanks for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, then hit the like button and share this video. Also, if you want to see more contents like this, then don't forget to subscribe Unlock with YouTube channel. So bye and see you again at the next one.